Hi, my name's Chris Grimm. I'm from Atlantic Strength Wrapping in Annapolis, Maryland. Today we're in Racine, Wisconsin, just outside of the Case New Holland factory. We're going to be wrapping this Case 305 tractor for over-the-road transport. It will be traveling approximately 2,100 miles to Tacoma, Washington, where it will be loaded upon ship and then off to China. The purpose of our wrap today is to protect it from the elements on the road, such as salt and its journey from here to Washington. The tractor's now been padded around places like the steps, the hubs, the mirrors, the lights. And the last thing we'll do is the exhaust pipe. We've got the plastic stretched out on the deck of the trailer now. The next step will be to pull the tractor back over top of the plastic and continue the wrap. We have just pulled the plastic over. This is the next step in the process. It's a single piece of heavy mill plastic that will be covering the entire tractor. As we can see here, our installer is cutting the plastic to fit. Okay, this step in the process, we pull the plastic over. It's heated, welded, and installed into position. And from here, we'll quickly jump to our next step, which is the final heating process. Okay, what we're doing here is one of the final steps in the process. We go through with the large heat gun. We're shrinking the plastic down. This is where it really develops and gains its strength. It's a very critical and delicate part as well. You want to be certain not to burn any holes. Burn any thin spots. Here's the final product. We're shipping out first thing in the morning.